So my takeaway on that research is that likely the microbiome has changed for the worse in chronic fatigues syndrome because of pathogenic invasion. That would be my first primary suspicion. So, which again could be bacterial or parasitic or protozoal parasites, things like that, that have invaded and embedded into the gut. So you're eliciting all this immune reaction, and then from the immune reaction, it's changing the microbiome. And then so the question is really, can you fix this, and how to fix it? And so one of the things I think would probably be the easiest way to try, whether it works or not for you is another story, but to use live foods. So live foods would be foods that have been fermented but still retain the live microorganisms that were used to ferment that. So if they've pasteurized something, like people are familiar with pasteurization, which is heating up like milk. Milk is pasteurized, and the reason why they pasteurize it is to kill off some of the pathogenic bacteria that can grow in milk. So pasteurization is just a heating up of the food to kill off anything. But things like yogurt, well, those aren't going to be pasteurized. They still have, or they should. I'm not sure that every commercial product does, but most of them should have still the live organisms in there. There's one like Bifidobacterium, you'll see that. Or lactobacillus, and there's several other strains. It varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, and you don't know how your body is going to particularly respond to that. But one of the ones that I thought was interesting that I read about was this Pediococcus bacteria, and that's found in fermented foods such as sauerkraut and kimchi. Now, that bacteria actually produces a byproduct that can kill off some very, there they are right there. There's several classes of them, or right there. Um, and but it can kill several classes off of pathogenic bacteria. And I was actually surprised to read, because some of those bacteria were pretty kind of difficult to get rid of, but they showed that this particular bacteria could do it. So there's other bacteria, healthy bacteria, that kill off the bad guys. So I think the thing is to try to get the gut into a little bit healthier, let these other microbes get in there, and perhaps they can alter some things, kill some things off. And then I wanted to bring attention to fibers and dietary fiber. Dietary fiber comes in a lot of different um, varieties, and some of them may help you, some of them may cause you more problems, and usually the reason for that is because of their chemical makeup. And every fiber has sort of a different profile, and it depends what's in there, because some of the bad guys actually may use some of the chemicals that are found in some of those fibers to proliferate. And I saw down here this inulin, and I knew somebody that was having problem with foods that were rich in inulin, like asparagus, garlic, onions, and it was sending his irritable bowel syndrome into chaos. And so likely the organism that he has in his gut that's causing all these problems probably likes the inulin and helps it grow, but inulin can also help the healthy bacteria grow. So I think that it really depends upon what kind of organism you carry, and really do through observation of what fiber may be working and may not be working. But the fiber does combine with the healthy bacteria to form the short chain fatty acids, including butyrate, or you can purchase butyrate as a supplement. It's not cheap,